Hello everyone again, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can delete your photos from your WhatsApp group and for everyone. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just start our video now. So to do so, first of all, you will just go to your WhatsApp app, make sure you have updated your app over there. Then once you're there, you will simply just go to your designated group that you have created where you have sent a photo particularly and you would like to remove it. Then once you are in the chat, what you will do is simply just long press and hold in that particular photo. Then you will simply tap on this delete option given on top. Tap on it. Here you can see delete for everyone, delete for me, cancel option, and you can see also delete media received in this chat from the gallery. Simply untick this way this particular photo file won't be deleted from your gallery itself. It will be saved over there. Then you can see this delete for everyone option, right? Simply tap on that option and you can see this message was deleted for everyone in this chat on the latest version of WhatsApp. So tap on OK and you can see this photo is now deleted for everyone. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply remove a photo from your group for everyone. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.